Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. And we are in a renovated Premier King room with a pool view. Our room is actually 18th floor, room 118. We're pretty far from the elevators, which we don't mind at all, but if you have mobility issues, you can ask for a room near the elevators. So when we checked in, he said, I don't have anything with a great view, but I can upgrade you to a premier renovated king room. And we had booked what they call a resort king. It does not have a separate water closet, but the bathroom is really beautiful and very big. It's one of the bigger showers I've ever seen in a regular hotel room. And the funny part is, he said, I don't have anything with a great view, but I can upgrade you to this room. And our view is amazing. So I think by great view, they assume you want a fountain view or a view of the Strip. But this is gorgeous. We have a view of the Cosmopolitan, some of the Strip, and the whole pool area, which I had no idea was so expansive. And then even off into the mountains. Okay, so there you have it. Bellagio, Las Vegas, premier renovated king room. Their minibar is the sensor kind, and you just look at the QR code to get all the prices. They do give you a small shelf for personal space. It doesn't hold much, but it would hold a couple drinks, medication, you know, maybe the essentials there. And there you have it. Okay, well, if we helped you with your travels, gave you information that might enhance a trip, we would love your help by subscribing. And thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. As usual, feel free to leave comments or questions. Tip your housekeeper. And thanks for watching.